Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to the channel Vic5 in Season 3 and another episode of my PC build. So today we're going to install the motherboard into the case and do the main connections to the motherboard, which there's only mainly two. This is the power supply, and these are the two main connections. This is for the motherboard, this is an additional motherboard, and this is a 650 watt power supply. It's semi-modular, which means that I can plug in only the cords that I need, which is going to be basically these two, which are basically the hard drive power connectors as well as the DVD drive. Okay, so I'm going to pass the camera over to my brother and we'll get started. Okay, here you go, Rudy. Alright, so first we're going to put this aside, and we're going to put these over here. And we're just going to bring the case up. So there is the case. All right. Okay. So the power supply is going to go here. The power supply does have a fan. So right at the bottom, the fan goes on the bottom. So it's just a matter of actually sliding it in. Should be able to just slide it in like this. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I just gotta push that in. Let's see what's stopping it. Okay. It's not on the, hang on here. There we go. Okay, so there is 4 mounting screws. All right, see over here we've got these 4 screws over here. So I'll do this one first because it fits in. Got my screwdriver, so I'm going to just tighten it afterwards. But of course, it would work better if I did have the screwdriver, but anyway, it'll go in there. I'm going to tighten that afterwards. Can I see the hole for that? Can't quite see it, but I'll put that in afterwards. Okay, so anyway, that'll just secure the power supply. All right, so over here we've got the main 24-pin connector. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this through here, and then we're going to feed it there. Now again, these connectors over here, there's a kind of a notch right here. which corresponds to this notch over here. So when we're putting this one in, we're just going to put it in like that. And then for the moment, so what happens is it's going to go like that, so that this matches that. Okay, so basically all we have to do is pretty well, it should be fairly easy. I just got to, as you can see, that snap, and that's it. And then we'll just kind of have it like that, so it's good for cable management. Okay, then the other one is this one over here, which goes right over here. If you pan the camera down, it goes right in there. And the notch is on the top. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's on the notch is right on the top there, which applies to this, which means that this is going to go in like that. So we're going to again put this in through here, and I think the best port to put this through on is probably going to be this one is as well over here. Actually, we might want to hold on. You know, I may end up just putting it directly on top there and then kind of like tying it down over here, because so anyway, for now, because there's no point in running it through here and over the fan, that kind of seems redundant. And if it can reach this way, it's just going to go right over there. So for now, I'm just going to install it right over here. Okay. Hang on. There we go. There. That's connected. So like I said, I think what I'm going to do is probably maybe run it even around the fan, right over here and right there, which makes more sense, and keep it like that. Yeah. And then actually I think I might want to keep it above this. So what I might do is pull this one out for the moment. Hang on. There we go. So that the tension of this one kind of like holds that all up. There. So that's kind of off there. So for now, and then eventually I'll just kind of attach it with the ties right over here and here. But now at least it's much better out of the way for the moment, until if I ever add anything here. So then I'm not going to connect these ones right now, but these are the ones for the power supply over here. There is this is the hard drive, and as an example, I'm just going to put this one over here. These ones go into these spots right over here. You'll see that there's two spots here, one here, one here, one there, one there. So I'm only going to need two right now, so I'm going to do the two outside. Oops. So this one over here. So I'm going to plug one of these in there. So there it is, as simple as that. And basically this is the Blu-ray drive, the hard, and there's the power one over here. You can see that there is an L shape right there, pointing down. So basically this one is just going to go in like that. See? As simple as that. Then the hard drives are going to go in here. And so the second one is going to plug into here, and I'll do that when I add the hard drives, and we'll take a look at that. So that pretty well completes that. Okay. So okay. Thanks. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that difficult to install the power supply. You just need to know where the connections go, and it also depends on the kind of power supply you have. when you have a fully non-modular power supply, that means that there's going to be a lot more cords coming out here, and it's just going to make it a little bit more trickier to connect things. But with semi-modular, it's nice because the main ones, the peripheral ones you only do is the only ones you need will be plugged in, and so it makes it much easier and a cleaner case on the inside. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next episode when we install the hard drive. Okay, bye-bye.